Welcome to Web Handling. My name is Dave Roisum. In this third clip, we describe how the center surface winder can be tricked into running super loose, possibly even lower than a pure center wind might, which is the entire point of this particular usage. A couple of tricks are needed to get super loose. First, the center surface winder must be put into gap mode. Second, the center wind motor is put into tension control as is normal. Third, the surface wind motor is put into torque control instead of torque difference control. In other words, this surface wind motor is running a set point positive torque regardless what the center wind motor is doing. This drops the tension from the span upstream of the surface wind motor to something less on the span entering the windup. So how is it that we might get looser than a pure center winder would? It might be because while we are cheating tension lower than might be safe in general, we are only doing so on just one very short span and crossing our fingers that we might get away with it. It also might be that the inevitable and possibly notable tension rise coming from a number of upstream idler roller bearings can be set back down just prior to winding. So now, the big limitation, even bigger than the gap winder. That is, you are speed limited on smooth materials, else you pull in so much air that the wound roll becomes a pillow. Thank you so very much for watching this module and my plant practical video clips. Stay tuned for the next clip where we describe 3 modes of motor control on this most complicated winder.